today I'm exploring Uhuru Park. One thing you can do here in Uhuru Park is sit down on the chairs or on the grass or rocks and enjoy the beautiful nature. Married long time ago. I've been married a long time ago. One thing you can do at Uhuru Park is look at the amazing, beautiful Nairobi skyline.
Which buildings can you see?
KICC, Times Towers, Expressway, and Parliament.
Nice. Does it look beautiful?
Yeah. Oh, guys, there's one other place to sit. You can also sit on these amazing, cool benches. Guys, look, this is a lion sculpture and there are other sculptures around Uhuru Park. So later in the video, we're going to show you more sculptures. I'm now done with the upper part of Uhuru Park. Now it's time to go to the lower part where there are so many fun stuff to explore. Guys, I'm now at the lower part of Uhuru Park. So guys, come and explore with me this beautiful and unique stuff. Oh my god, this plane is so huge. Come on guys, I've seen another unique thing. There's a beautiful van with some beautiful graffitis. And also there are these chairs to sit when you're having a picnic or when you're having lunch. I've seen another very unique thing, a double-decker bus. And it looks so good. It has everything. It has white.
What does it mean?
Kenya, one nation. Peace, love, and unity. But it's locked. So I'll just look through it. Just beside the massive plane, there are towers that look like umbrellas, and on the bottom of those towers, there are chairs to also relax and sit and relax. I'm going to take you to a monument, but before, just as the upper side of Uhuru Park, there are chairs for you to sit on. Oh, it's just below the expressway. Guys, there is something written up there. Justice be our shield and defender. That is written in our Kenya national anthem. This is a statue of the Mau Mau freedom fighters. They were the people that made Kenya have its independence. This symbolizes memorial to the victims of torture and ill treatment during the colonial era, 1952 to 1960. Next to Gate B, there is a Freedom Corner, and it reminds us of Wangari Maathai, and there is a poster that says the Green Belt Movement, Freedom Corner, Memorial Trees of Peace, lest we forget. Yes.
Where? Go and point.
Wangari Maathai is right here. Guys, now it's time to explore the dam which is found in Uhuru Park.
Go.
Oh guys, I can see another sculpture of an antelope. Oh guys, I can see another sculpture of antelopes. I can see a fountain. Guys, I told you there'll be some more beautiful sculptures. I can see some zebras and some elephants. Guys, I'm now excited because I've reached the dam area. I can see a hippopotamus. But it's only a statue. Did you think it's a real hippopotamus? Nope. Guys, I can see a dam, view of the dam. On the other side, there's a small dam with beautiful water lilies, plus a whole skyline, plus you can see the whole skyline of Nairobi. This tells you to come with your friends and family to enjoy the beauties of Uhuru Park. And this marks the end of my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.